Welcome to On Prime. Today we are going to see another 5 new innovative innovations, which will make you more curious. You can buy these products from their official stores. The link is in the description. Let's go. Number 1. Hallo Falls. Hallo Falls is a way of bringing the healing essence of Mother Nature. It's one of its kind, light and water installations with integrated Bluetooth speakers. It was designed to create an oasis of calm, wherever it is kept. In your living room, your workspace, an outdoor area, or even a special inspiration zone to chalk your creativity. Simply add water, plug it into an outlet, and voila, your personal calm sound is ready. It's powered by a durable, submersible, soundless motor, and the casing has been designed to prevent spillage. With the 2 light modes, changing the mood of your space is easy. In addition, there are high-quality LEDs, so you can adjust the intensity of the light. A high-quality Bluetooth speaker help you to complete the mood. Play ambient sounds, your favorite music, listen to a new audiobook, or listen to the sounds of a nature playlist on Spotify. Hallo Falls, bring the magic of nature indoors. Number 2. Looking Glass Portrait. It works like a magical looking glass. By controlling the direction of millions of rays of light, what you see through it becomes as real as the world around you. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, your first personal, holographic display. The Looking Glass Portrait generates dozens of perspectives simultaneously. This results in a 3-dimensional hologram that flows out of the display, viewable by multiple people. No headsets required. This is a memory machine. It's a tool for holographic exploration, all wrapped into one device. This is the Looking Glass Portrait, and your first personal holographic display. Number 3. Moza Slypod Pro. Every filmmaker's dream is to bring their creative vision to life. Moza Slypod Pro, a compact lightweight pod that allows you to get those once impossible shots from any angle. The trusty monopod, redefined into the 3-in-1 Slypod Pro. Slypod Pro is an essential tool for all filmmakers to achieve precise and stable shots anywhere. It's more than a monopod, automatically extending to impressive legs using a mobile app for wireless control. Its compact size gets you into even the most narrow of spaces, for those hard-to-reach shots with ease. Slypod Pro is made from a lightweight carbon fiber, solid and weatherproof, stable and sturdy. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor shots. Whether you are a cinematic filmmaker, or a product creator, or even if you're a blogger, you will enjoy the Slypod Pro as much as you enjoy filmmaking. Number 4. Sungzu Power Station. Modern times require modern technology. Sungzu Portable Power Station is one of the latest power stations, combined safety, portable and suitable for complex situations both indoor and outdoor. Its real-time display shows current, voltage, power, temperature, and charging status. It provides you with a high power supply even for outdoor electrical operations and outdoor cooking. By using solar power, it can be fully charged within 5 hours, while staying environmental friendly. While outdoor camping, you can charge your outdoor refrigerator, batteries, and even laptops can be charged. Number 5. Vespera. It is the perfect combination of a telescope and a camera that will help you reconnect with the stars. Observing and capturing the wonders of the cosmos can be difficult. People often say telescopes are challenging to use, heavy, and cumbersome. With Vespera, that's no longer the case. Designed for you to share space observations with your loved ones in real time. You can now take your own photos of the moon, galaxies, nebula, and so much more. Vespera weighs only 10 pounds, is 15 inches tall and can fit in your backpack. Super easy to use, just set up the tripod using the adjustable legs and press the button. Let Vespera comes to life, and calibrate its cells through your GPS device and starfield recognition. Using the app, simply select the object you want to observe, and Vespera will point in tracking it, compensating the Earth's rotation. Using the latest Sony sensor, developed for extreme low light, Vespera creates astonishing results. It is time for you to go explore the world and experience breathtaking outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Enable notification for regular updates.